At Transit, we believe truck bodies can be innovative and save you money. Since 1978, we've been dedicated to upholding the same high standards of quality and customer satisfaction. Transit truck bodies are distinguished in many ways, but one of the most striking features is definitely the bonded aluminum panel construction, providing the shortest repair time on the market. Our bonded aluminum panels increase the structural strength of the body while reducing weight. The body is self-supporting, with its frame comprised of aluminum Z-posts. The panels are simply an exterior skin covering the framework and are in no case structural. Do you own a Transit truck body and panels have been damaged? Don't worry, we offer the most efficient panel replacement service for both classic dry freight truck bodies and Arctic refrigerated truck bodies. Without welds or rivets, the panels are easily replaceable from the outside without damaging the interior in just a few hours. By comparison, folded or riveted panels used by other manufacturers are twice as long to change as our glued panels. In addition, they usually require the removal of the interior finishing, accessories, or insulation. Our specialists have developed a solid expertise in panel replacement, allowing the work to be performed from the outside with precision, efficiency, and speed. Thus, the interior finishing of Transit truck bodies is never damaged, and the furnishings or insulation never need to be removed. It only takes about 3 hours to replace a panel, to which is added a 4-hour drying time for the repair to be fully completed. With a network of service centers and repairers to assist you across Canada and the United States, Transit offers you the most comprehensive coverage on the market. Discover a different kind of truck body repairs with Transit.